I said I think it's really nice quality and the products are very good.
Okay. Bonjour my beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Crystal and thank you for clicking on this video. If you're a return viewer, a subscriber, I give a big thanks to you, and I'm telling you, I really appreciate your support. I really appreciate your support, guys. In today's video, it will be an unboxing, and I received this gift from my husband, and it is a beauty advent calendar from Liberty. Trust me, guys, I didn't know such thing exists. I know you might say, have you been living under a rock, Crystal? But yeah, but I'm quite excited and opening. And it has been sitting here for 3 days, and I say, okay, I will do it today, and I want to share that with you. And before we get started, I'm inviting you, if you haven't subscribed yet to the channel, to go down there and to hit the subscribe button. And also, everybody, activate the notification bell like you won't miss any of my update. Oh my god, I'm so excited because I know it's some goodies. Okay, let me talk to you about the box. When I received the box from my husband, I asked him, okay, how much this thing cost you? First of all, what is this? And he said, oh, that's what it is, that is what it is. Okay, obviously he knows more about beauty than I do. Okay, so he said, okay, he explained to me what is it. He said, oh, you have goodies every day for the entire month of December. You have to open one every day. We have an advent calendar for my daughter, so she's opening little doors every day. And I think, you know what, I'm a grown woman, I won't be opening one little window every day. So today I decide to unbox like maybe 10 of them. Just that will be the first video. And I asked him how much it costs. He said, okay, this thing, it's a gift, so I can't tell you how much it costs, but we can read. So I get the name, I get all the name from Liberty, and I put it online, and I found out like they sell this also on Amazon. And the range of beauty advent calendars like that, they range them from really as affordable as £40 to £1,000, guys. Can you imagine that? Anyway, but mine I think cost £360, and frankly I wouldn't put my money into it, but my husband think that will be a very nice gift and something to have a bit of fun, because this year I do not ask for any gifts. I don't think it was fair to ask for any gifts. Anyway, anything I want, I have them. Yeah, it sounds a bit not modest, but I don't feel the need to keep buying things all the time. So guys, let's get started quite quick. And my husband is very curious to see what is this box has. So I will be calling him over. He will be standing there, maybe not be on camera, but we'll be opening it together. Okay, let's get started. Babe, you can come. I know you are impatient. Okay, guys, now we can get started because my husband is here. Can you say hello, darling?
Hello,
with your
darling.
hands, you know, people can see your hands. Shake it. I know you are more excited than I am. Yeah. I will have to destroy the bag. Calm down. Oh my goodness. I think it's a lovely box. It's an absolutely lovely box. And it has some nice pattern. You can see the pattern in it. And the outside is proper winter wonderland. You can see something is somewhere in England, this very nice building.
It's the Liberty store.
Oh, oh, yes, it's the Liberty store. Why didn't know? I did not think about that. I don't know the Liberty store, but I saw it online. Okay. No. These are drawers. I want to see the number one. Where? Show it to me. Nobody will see you. You can just show it to me. They can see your hand, but not your face. They can see just here. Okay. Okay. So we have 30. Can you help me?
25.
Oh, it's just 25.
I know.
25 what?
Drawers, I guess.
Okay, guys, we have 24 drawers.
25 drawers.
Baby, I just see 24. Okay, yes.
Baby, It's 5 times 5 is 25.
Yes, so we have 25 drawers, and they are not in any type of order. So just to make it fun, just scatter. Here we have number 1, and over there, where is number 2? Here's number 1, here's number 2. So just to give you an example, 17 and 24 and 21. So they're trying to make it interesting by scatter the number all over the place, and you can play with it. Okay, as I say, today I will be opening 10 because I'm not a little child. I'm not waiting every day to open one drawer. Yes. So let's get started. Okay, guys, here is the drawer number 1. Oh my god. And this beauty advent calendar is supposed to be very good quality. That's what my husband told me, because he made his little research. And we have a bit of a protection, and we have, what is this? Oh my god, it's a brightening hyaluronic serum. That's fancy. 50 ml. That's a lot. Okay guys, first we have a skincare product, and I think I'm very happy about it. I love hyaluronic acid serum. It's unfortunate I can put it on my scalp. I would just have to use it on my skin. So that's what we have. You can touch it, baby. Go ahead. I know you're excited about it, and yes, you are. And we have a little card who tell us a bit about the product. They say brightening hyaluronic serum with AA glycolic acid, hyaluronic acid, and potent plant oils. This brightening serum illuminates the complexion, restoring radiance to dull skin whilst addressing hyperpigmentation. It is designed to give an even tone and luminous effect. And it's all vegan, cruelty free, and 100% natural plant extract. I'm very happy about it. And I think a product like that with this type of ingredient and packaging, it will cost like £25. Really, it will cost £25. So let's go for the second drawer. Okay, if I keep finding big product like that, I think I will open just 5 today. When I say 10, I thought it would be something very cheap, so I say, you know what, I will just open 10, but we will see. Let's go for number 2. Where's number 2, doll? I could see. I could see. Oh, yes. Again, we have something on it, and it say, okay, Momo conditioner. I know Momo conditioner. I always want to try the products. Oh, the Momo company. Like I think the company is Divines or something like that. Okay, it's a sample of their conditioner. And they have so many good reviews about them. The reviews is just amazing. Maybe have to do another shot to show you. And that's the conditioner. I think I will give it a try. Oh my god, I'm happy. And it's a 75 ml, means like it's for one wash. Yes, I think it's really worth it. Number 3. Okay guys, the number 3 is from Frankie Body Charcoal Face Cleanser. It's a 35 ml of product, and it came quite handy. Very nice packaging with a little, I don't know how you call that, but you know what I mean. Yes, remove makeup and impurity. I think I'll give it a try this weekend. Baby, you can open the number 4. You just reach, nobody will see you.
It's over there.
Oh, it's over there. Oh, this is light. This is very, very light. This is light. I wonder what it is. It's a lip moisturizer from Malin and Ghost. No, this name is not English. Maybe they are Dutch. How you pronounce that? The top one.
Malin and goats.
Malin and Goats. Okay.
Yeah.
So we have this. This is number 4. Okay. So far so good. I'm very pleased with the type of product I'm finding and the quality and the name they come from, the brand. I'm very happy. I think this one will be the last one for today.
No.
That's 5, darling.
No.
Oh, here. Okay. Number 5 from Willem Perfumery. Dear Polly Morning Chest plus Mango Skin Eau de Parfum 3x2 ml. So we have 3 little samples of this brand. You try one, darling. Tell me what you think. The name is Dear Polly. Guys, this is fun. I think this is really a great idea for any beauty product lover you have in your family, and maybe by accident you have to show this video to your husband, like he can know exactly what to get you if you're interested. Okay,
Very sneaky.
that's not sneaky, darling, that's clever.
Oh, that smells nice. It
Oh,
smells mango.
yeah. Oh, okay, I'll try yours. Put it back.
They're all the same.
Yes, I know, but you use one. I don't want to use a new one.
Okay.
I just okay. Let's put it
But
away.
just a tiny bit.
Yeah. Oh, this is gorgeous. Okay, the perfume, you have to let the alcohol smell to go away because the alcohol is quite strong. But you're left with this very deep smell, like it's a smell you know it will stay on all day.
Yeah, it's mango.
It's mango.
Because it's called mango skin.
It's yummy. Baby, I think I want to open the last one, 6 one.
It's up to you.
Yes, but I say 10, you say no.
If you do 5, that means you can do 5 recordings.
Oh, let's see. So let's open the last one. It's 25, so it's
Yeah,
okay.
so
So number 6. What is number 6?
Right there in the middle.
How on earth can you see that? I'm so close to it. I can't. This, it look like it's a liquidy product. It's quite heavy. It may be in a glass bottle. Okay, what do we have here? Number 6. Oh, it's a bath oil. Yummy. All Verum bath oil to distress. Oh, God knows how I'm stressed. Oh, this is Lush. I like the packaging. I think I will have to make a separate recording of that. Okay, l'huile de vin. Yes. It smells like, it's very herbally. Tell me, what is that smell, baby? Vetiver? No. You're trying to guess the smell.
There's some thyme in it, definitely.
Oh yeah, it has some rosemary in it. I can
Yeah.
smell the rosemary. Yes, they don't tell exactly the ingredient in it, but I know what I can smell. It smells very green.
It's herbs.
It smells so green. I think I will use that tomorrow. Okay. So, baby, do you have a verdict? What do you think about the box, about the product?
I think it's really nice quality.
People can't hear you.
I said I think it's really nice quality and the products are very good.
Okay. My husband thinks it's very good quality and the product of good. And I agree with that. I really enjoy doing it, even though I thought like that would be expensive, but for the price and the type of product I'm getting from them, I think it's really worthy. And it was very fun to do that today, guys. So guys, this was my very first opening of this beauty calendar for 2021, and I opened 6 products. There are 6 good products. My favorite one is this Hyaluronic Brightening Serum from Votari, and I love the Momo Deep Conditioner, and I can't wait to use it. And these are all bath that I can see myself using it more in the future because I love the smell. I really, really love the smell. So guys, I hope this was as fun for you as it was for me, and I will see you in another video. But before we go, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done it yet, and leave your comment down below. Tell me which are your favorite and what product you expect me to find when I do the second opening. And I will see you very soon in another video. Bye bye.